Welcome back to our channel. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into a story so spicy, even your flat iron couldn't handle it. So picture this. It's the season 6 finale of the Kardashians and Khloé Kardashian. Yes, the queen of one-liners and unexpected confessions, just dropped a bombshell bigger than Kris Jenner's sunglasses collection. Khloé, who's been rocking the celibacy badge like it's a VIP pass to enlightenment, casually announced the one man who could tempt her off the no-nookie path. And no, it's not a mysterious millionaire or a rugged movie star. It's Chris freaking Appleton, celebrity hairstylist, certified heartthrob, and owner of the most blessed blowout hands in Hollywood. Khloé didn't just hint, she declared it. "Oh, I would F this out of Chris Appleton." Now that's a Yelp review if I've ever heard one. The best part? Chris is openly gay and Khloé knows it. But hey, when a man can make your split ends disappear and your cheekbones pop, who cares about orientation? That's hairstyle-induced lust, baby. Things got even better at Kim's birthday bash when Chris joked about combining all dating apps into one giant app called What's Left. Honestly, not a bad business idea. I'd download it. So today we're breaking down all the flirty banter, thirst-level confessions, and what it really means when your hairstylist becomes your ultimate hall pass. Grab your dry shampoo, pour a mimosa, and let's get into this follicle fantasy gone wild. He does work magic with his hands. Khloé Kardashian confessed the surprising celebrity who could convince her to break her celibacy during Thursday's season 6 finale of The Kardashians on Hulu. "Oh, I would FK the ST out of Chris Appleton. I don't know if he would FK me," the Good American co-founder, 40, continued laughing. "But I would FK him." Khloé was alluding to the fact that she isn't Appleton's type since the handsome British hairdresser is openly gay. They should get all of the dating apps and put them into one and just call it What's Left. Because let's face it, we're FK'd. Appleton quipped. "It will be me and Khloé," he added. "That's not so bad." "I'm fine with that," Khloé replied. "Because I just need a companion, and then you go do whatever you gotta do. And I'll be at home." Khloé, 40, previously got candid about her celibacy journey in the March 20th episode of The Kardashians. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians alum has been single since ending her on and off relationship with Tristan Thompson in late 2021. Khloé, who shares 2 kids with the NBA player, recently told Us Weekly that she intends to remain celibate until she meets the right guy. "I think once you go a certain time frame, it doesn't matter anymore," she said in an interview published Thursday. "You're like, okay, now you have to be really worth it to break that. But also, I'm so focused on my kids, and I know this sounds crazy, but I don't want anyone to take me away from them." And there you have it. Khloé Kardashian dropping major tea, and reminding us all that even in a celibacy era, she's still got her eye on the prize. Chris Appleton, you've got a big fan over here. And honestly, can we blame her? The man is talented, stylish, and apparently totally Khloé's vibe, even if he's not exactly available in the way she might hope. Still, it's all love and laughs, and it's refreshing to see Khloé embrace her sense of humor and openness, even while navigating her very real journey of healing and self-prioritization. It's clear she's in a chapter focused on family, boundaries, and self-love, and while the jokes are hilarious, there's something empowering about her knowing exactly what she wants and refusing to settle for anything less. Whether she's talking dating apps, funny hypotheticals, or her decision to remain celibate until someone truly worth it comes along, Khloé is staying true to herself, and that's always worth celebrating. So what do you think? Could Khloé and Chris make the ultimate glam duo with a twist? Or should we just let the friendship flourish and enjoy the playful banter? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more celeb updates. Thanks for watching.